video is for my wife. She asked me, how do you put this thing down on a Dyson vacuum cleaner, the wand? She asked me this probably, I don't know, a lot. So I'm making this video so I can show her. Well, that's how it comes off. This is a Dyson, as you can see. Dyson, and this is the wand. Well, the way it goes back in where it's supposed to, in the hose, this slides back into the hose, is this purple lever. You release it with this, pulls out. You're going to put it back in, push it in, and you can see it slides right back in. Then, once you've done that, then you're going to take your Dyson and make sure the hose is pretty long. So you're going to slide this hose up on the aluminum nozzle part, and the purple goes facing the front of the vacuum, just like this. That's it. You want to take it out, push this button, not the one down here, that's the on off, but the one on the actual wand. Push it, and out it comes, and then back in, and clicks in, just like that. So that's my short video on how to put the wand back in the vacuum cleaner on a Dyson.